Look at the E. Oh. Very good. Space. Mommy J. It's okay. Wala na.
Yeah!
Asan na? Asan na? Wala na. Wala na po. It's good. Oh, don't go up there. Wala na. It's good na. Next. Because teacher Wana will check your work.
Did they also see that? Did they also see that?
Wala. Ngayon lang ito.
Did they also see it?
Hindi na.
It's yes or no?
Yes.
They saw it or not?
Ba't sa labas? Go na.
They just saw it outside?
Go na.
How did it even get in here?
Focus. Oh, what letter na yung next?
Did they run there?
What letter na po yung next?
E.
Space.
Space.
Mommy. Very good ah.
Space.
Oh, blue to blue. Red. Circle.
Yes.
Red to blue.
Two.
Little line. From red going yun. Oh. Blue to blue line. Oh. Circle again. Small line. From red. Yun. Oh, small line. Dito lang. Tabi ng A. Small line. Yun. G. Circle. Oh, circle.
I'm so happy.
Yes. Good job na
Because I'm gonna write a baby.
Baby.
Because that's how I write babies.
Yes.
Can I draw a baby?
Ito na muna. Finish mo muna. Finish mo muna ang work. Circle from red.
J.
G.
No, because
okay.
it was. So it's been raining in Manila. Di ba nalalamig?
I'll check ha.
I will check. Can I write a baby na? Can I write a baby na?
Not there.
Why? Where can I write a baby? Where can I write a baby? Where can I write a baby?
Let me check yung work nga ni Jayden. Is it a happy face or star? Let's check. Okay.
J-A-D-E-N space J-A-C-E space
Ito may
L
space.
dot
Check.
D-A
And I'll give you a happy face.
Also here?
Yan. Oh. Again, can you do it again here properly again? Go. Para I can give you this one. Star naman. Okay? Better, ha?
It looks like a marker.
Yeah.
Can I just trace it?
Okay, you don't always trace, Jaden.
No, I will make it
Sit properly.
3D.
Sit properly.
3D. I'll make it 3D.
I'll give you time to make your 3D star. Later, I have 3D
No,
face.
please.
I'll give you time, okay? Dito si Jaden susulat. Excuse me. Ayan. Dito muna, sa baba. Ayan, sige. Going to the blue. Red. Go up to the red. Yun! Straight line sa blue nga. Yun! What's next after J? Circle sa red. Circle sa
How
red.
about next, Mommy?
Hindi na. Pang baby lang yun. Baby ka pa ba?
It's so dog, it's so cute.
Pang baby na yun. Ito, pang kinder na to. Okay?
When I was 4, how did I write A's?
Dabami A lang. Baby A na. Saan yung baby A? Saan yung baby A, Jaden?
I just write a straight line.
Kaya nga, ito pang kinder na. Pang schoolboy na. Sa red.
Dog.
Ay, properly. Erase mo yan.
But I cannot write a proper circle.
Slowly lang kasi. You can do it. Doon sa dikit ng A. Ay, sa ng J. Near J. Tapos straight line.
Like that.
Again, like this. Look at mommy. Look. Circle. After circle, a line going down. Your turn. Jaden's turn. Erase, erase.
What?
Circle muna.
9.
Sit properly. Ganyan ka ba mag-sit sa school?
What school?
Sa Sid Montessori. Circle first. Look at mommy, ha? Look. Circle. And then a line going down. Dito tayo. Circle. Very good. Line going down. Longer pa sa blue. Longer pa sa blue. Ayun. Next.
Look at me.
Focus. Letter D. Yung letter D, baby D, Jaden, the baby D, it's just the same with baby A. Longer lang. Go nga. Sige nga. Circle. Tapos longer line. Yun. Next. Letter E. You make a circle, letter C muna. Yun. And then N. Dito, dikit mo sa E. Not too far. Erase, erase. Not too far yan. Dikit mo lang. No space sa E yun. No space sa E. Yun. Very good. Space. Ganito yung space. Space. J. Ayos na.
J.
Mami J. Blue to blue. Blue to blue. And then going to red. Straight na. Baby A. Baby C. Baby E. Baby E.
There.
Ganito, look at mommy. Diba ganyan? And then you put E. Ayan. I-connect mo. Again, ha? Sige. Ganito, ha? Come here. Come here. You try it here first. Excuse me. Diba ganito? C. And then, lalagay ko dito sa middle. Like that. Sige. See? Connect mo sa middle. Can you see? Yun! One more. See? See? Tapos sa middle. Ayun. O, sige nga, change mo nga yung ino ko.
Like this.
Yun lang, yung ilang ha. Later tayo mag-draw. Okay? I'll give you time to draw. Fix mo muna yung ino.
I'm gonna have 20 minutes.
Yes, finish mo na yan.
20 minutes to draw?
Opo. Go na. Fix nga ni Jayden yung E. C muna. Write your E. Very good. Space. Space. Space.
Dad.
Mamaya na yan. Finish mo muna to. Space. L. L. Space. L. Dot.
I put the dot.
Almost done na. Straight.
It looks like B.
Baby A. Red lang ha, sa red line. Red line. Baby L.
Yeah.
Baby A. Sit properly, Jayden. Baby N.
A baby.
Baby G. Properly. Red. Erase mo yan. Hindi pwede. Erase mo yan. Erase. Erase. Like this, oh, the G. Diba until here? Erase mo na. You did it here. Erase mo muna. Erase,
Red
erase.
to red.
Yeah. Ayan. See? O, G. I. N. Oh. See? High five. Dito. Okay. Yeah,